Julius Caesar needed a war. He was 41, broke, and one political miscalculation away from ruin. So when 368,000 Celtic people began the largest migration the Roman world had ever seen, Caesar didn't negotiate. He followed them, and he destroyed them. 238,000 killed or captured. This is where the Gallic Wars began. The Helvetii were a Celtic people from the Swiss Plateau, wealthy, disciplined, hemmed in by mountains, the Rhine and Germanic tribes pressing from the east. So they made a decision no tribe had ever made at this scale. They burned their own 12 towns and 400 villages, packed what they could carry, and 368,000 people moved west. The largest migration the Roman world had ever witnessed. Caesar blocked them, then followed them. Near Bibracte, a hilltop fortress in the heart of Gaul, 6 Roman legions took the high ground. The Helvetii advanced in tight formation, shields locked. The Romans launched their pila, heavy javelins engineered to bend on impact, jamming into shields, making them impossible to carry. The Helvetii threw their shields aside and kept coming. The Romans charged downhill into them. The battle lasted into the night. When it ended, 238,000 killed or captured. Only 110,000 walked away. Caesar got his war. The survivors were sent back to the land they had burned. They rebuilt. And the civilization that rose from those ashes became what we now call Switzerland. The Helvetii never conquered Gaul, but they outlasted Rome.